Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So, as you know, in our channel, we try to solve the issues that we as professionals face in our day-to-day work life. So, in our last video, we saw how we can host a static website. That was the easiest way and the fastest way to host a website. In today's video, we will see again how to host a static website but using CloudFront, that is a CDN service. So let's start. So I already have the website, the Angular app that we created. I will put the link of the previous video in the description box. So I already have this. So we'll start by creating the bucket. So I'll go here, website with CloudFront. I'll keep the region as Mumbai. Rest I'm creating as it is. So I'm not going to change the permissions this time. Last time we did make some changes to the permission to access the website, but this time will not keep it public. It will remain private bucket. So I'll click on create bucket. There we go, we have the bucket. I'll go here, I'll click upload. Let me minimize this and I will do a drag and drop. So remember, we need to just copy the part within the dist folder. I'll drag it here. Let me maximize it. I'll click on upload. Upload succeeded. So I have uploaded my website to S3 bucket. Now I'll go to CloudFront. Okay. So what is a CDN service? CDN stands for Content Delivery Network. So why do we need it is so that my data is accessible faster. Suppose my website is deployed in Mumbai region and a person from North Virginia region wants to access it. So to minimize that delay, the time for data to travel, to minimize that we use CDN. So what it does essentially is it deploys my code or my website. It caches it in some of the edge locations which are nearer to the end user. So I'll create a distribution. So in this we have to choose an origin. So since we have S3 bucket, I'll choose S3 bucket. So now the access. If you see the info in this, it has we can see that they recommend OAC now, which will be changed to OAI. So for that we have to go to legacy access identities and we can select here. So if you don't find it in the drop down, you can always create an OAI and click on create button. So since I have it, I'll click here. Then there is an option if I want to update my bucket policy. So yes, we want. Why is because we need to update the S3 policy so that it allows OAI to read it. So if we go to our bucket and permissions, you will see there is nothing in the policy as of now. But when we deploy CDN with this yes option, it will update the policy in my S3 bucket. Rest I'm keeping as it is and I'll click on create distribution. So now remember, whenever we create a new distribution or make any update to the distribution, it takes around 7 to 10 minutes because again it has to distribute it to all the locations and edge locations. So for that it does take some time. So I'll pause the video. Okay, so it's been 8 minutes and it has been deployed. Now what we have to do is we have to pick this domain name and go here, https, and put this /index.html, and there you go, our website has been deployed and it is being served via CDN. So please remember that this is an often mistake that at least I make, is I just put the CDN URL and try to hit enter and it doesn't give anything. You have to give the landing page, that in this case is index.html, and there you go. Another reason why we use CDN is for suppose you have a big file or a big image. So let's see here. If I go here, I'll merge this and I will upload a file. I have an image here, so I'll upload it here. Okay, and if I copy this, so now I say I have uploaded this image to my folder, to my S3 bucket, and now I can access it via my CDN link here. So this is really helpful when I'm trying to show a HD video or HD quality image in my website, and that is making my website slow. But if I'm using CDN, it will make it comparatively faster than it was before. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.